Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well today. So I am super excited because December starts this week and I have a list of festive sewing projects that I'm about to get started on. So I thought today would be really fun to go over my plans for my festive sewing for December with you guys and just show you what I'm thinking about making this month. Now in this video, I'm talking specifically about things that I'm making for my wardrobe and for myself, but I will have some videos coming out this month about different gift ideas and things like that if that is what you're looking for. So stay tuned for that. But for today, we're just going to talk about some fun festive things that I want to add to my wardrobe this month. So I'm going to go ahead and go over those. I have a list on my phone and I'm also going to show you my sketching process for everything. So let's just jump right in. So first up on my list this month is to make a pajama set. I love making pajamas. It's one of my favorite things to sew. I just think it's really relaxing and fun and I love having pajamas, and let's be honest, that's what I've been wearing a lot this year. So I got some new fabric to make myself a pajama set this month. So let me show it to you. So this is the fabric and hopefully you can see it pretty well on camera. This is from Rifle Paper Company from their latest collection. And I think it's such a pretty cotton fabric. I actually think this would make the cutest like summer dress or top, but I do want to make a set of pajamas out of it. So this is the fabric that I've chosen. I also have some matching buttons to go along with this. And I think I'm going to use the Carolyn Pajamas pattern from Closet Core Patterns. This is one that I've worked with in the past. In the past, I've always made it with the shorts version, but I think I'm going to make the long pants this time. So I'm really excited about it. I think it'll be a really cute pajama set. And I'm definitely in need of some new pajamas in my life. So I'm really looking forward to that project. Now, something that I've gotten a few requests for over the past few months is to do a tutorial on how to make a circle skirt. And I really wanted to make a circle skirt for myself this December, so I thought that would be the perfect opportunity. Last year, I came out with a circle skirt in my Etsy shop that was made out of this plaid wool fabric. And I was really inspired by this skirt I saw Rachel Martina wearing on Instagram. And I thought that I would make myself one this December because even though I sold them in my Etsy shop, I didn't have one for myself. So I'm going to make a circle skirt that's just really simple, but a little bit longer out of this fun, festive plaid fabric, and I think that'll be super cute and also a really hopefully helpful tutorial for you guys who are wanting to make a circle skirt. Now up next on the list is a project that I am really looking forward to. I just bought the fabric for this in a Black Friday sale on fabric.com, so I'm waiting for that to arrive. But I saw this dress on Reformation made out of the most beautiful green silk velvet. I just thought it was stunning. And I especially loved the statement sleeves on this. I think they're so cool, and I love the green fabric. So I found some beautiful green silk velvet fabric, and hopefully it will be a similar color to the fabric in this dress from Reformation, but I'm really wanting to make a beautiful green velvet festive dress. I'll just be wearing it around my house, but I think it'll be really fun to have in my collection. I do think I'll change the design a bit from the original one from Reformation. I'll keep those really fun statement sleeves, but I will add a square neckline and probably just a really simple bodice and skirt combination, not the wraparound style. So I think it'll be a really comfortable dress, but something very festive for sure. I'm really excited to get that fabric. I just can't wait to see what it looks like. Now I have another velvet project on my list. I'm going to make a pleated midi skirt out of some pre-pleated velvet that I found on Mood Fabrics. I love this pre-pleated velvet fabric. I think it is so cool that it already has the pleats there and would make a really simple project. So I'm excited to try it out. But the thing I'm not sure on here, guys, is the color. I don't know which color I want to make this skirt. So if you have an opinion, let me know down in a comment below. I really like the creamy white color and I also like the reds. So I'll put pictures in here so you can see the different colors this fabric comes in, but I think it'll be a really fun skirt and I love that it's pre-pleated. It should be a really easy and fast project. Now, the last project on my list this month is something a little bit different for me, but I'm really looking forward to tackling this. It is actually a dress restoration. So my sister gave me this absolutely amazing red velvet 1930s dress that is so beautiful. It actually looks like something I think you would see today in shops, but it has some issues. It's definitely very old. So there's some tears in the seams where the fabric has worn away and different things like that. So my goal is to completely restore this and also to make it fit me because it doesn't quite zip all the way in the back. So I'm going to make a few alterations to it as well. And I'm really looking forward to going through the whole process. I will be creating a video about this and sharing it with you guys. So hopefully it turns out well. It is the most beautiful fabric. I think that this is silk velvet because it has that amazing drape and also the back of it does look like it's silk fibers. So it's such a beautiful piece and I'm really excited to hopefully get it looking really good and wearable. So I really hope it goes well. I'm really looking forward to tackling this and hopefully everything will look really good in the end. So I think that is everything on my list of the different festive things I want to add to my wardrobe this month. I'm really excited about all of these sewing projects and I hope you guys will really look forward to seeing the videos that are created about each of these as well. I'll also have some videos coming up this month related to DIY decor and gift ideas. So that will all be on its way soon. But thank you guys so much for watching today. Let me know which of these you're most looking forward to in a comment down below. I really appreciate you guys hanging out on my channel. If you are new to my channel and you want to see me finish all of these projects, go ahead and subscribe if you're interested by clicking the red button down below, and that way you can keep up with all of these as I finish them. But thank you guys again so much for watching today, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye!